Tired of your AI video ads looking like a glitch? Want to create hyper-realistic UGC using AI models but hate spending hours fighting with complex prompts? It's me, adsganda. Today, I'm showing you the ultimate workflow to generate flawless AI user-generated content. Let's dive in. First, let me show you the fast track using my brand new web tool, PromptOS. We can skip the headache. Log on using your Discord account. Very easy to use. I just select the character reference builder, plug in my basic idea, and PromptOS generate the perfect optimized prompt instantly. Design your character using the dropdown. Copy the prompt and paste it to your AI image generator. On this sample, I use ChatGPT. Use the full character reference to create your image and video of the product. MyPromptOS have a built-in image and video prompter for you to try. Here's the image that we will use to create the scene. Now let's animate this using Google Vids. Attach your references and simply describe your scene. For this ad, I created two separate clips. The first one is opening the bottle and the second is application of the product. Now let's look at the final AI UGC output. Wow, it's flawless! Now, if you want to do this the hard way, you have to build the master prompt from scratch. As an AI influencer myself, I know exactly how tricky it can be to keep character consistency and design a highly detailed reference sheet. You have to be incredibly explicit and sequence the layout instructions so the AI doesn't get overwhelmed. For the video prompt, when you combine complex hand movements and multiple sequential steps, AI gets overwhelmed and creates sloppy morphing artifacts. Now, I'm using MyPromptOS to create our video prompt. I selected the values from the drop-down, generate the prompt, and paste it, and I tweak it a little bit to match my preference. Here's the final output of our second AI UGC ad.
This UGC ad video prompt is made from PromptOS.
Still great, but if you're new to AI prompting, it will take time for you to finish a single video output. Why struggle when MyPromptOS can engineer the perfect prompt for you? Click the link in the description to try it for free. Hope you like my video. Yeah.